1932 Stutz DV-32 engine. You know, sometimes it's best when people stop driving these things. Check this out. Haven't taken this cotter pin fully out yet, but loose nut, babbitt gone, babbitt here. So you're supposed to have babbitt on both sides. And if we look at the windage tray, look at that. She's starting to hit the tray. None of the others are. I got a little bit right there. And I think our babbitt is down here in this goo. It's a good thing they stopped driving it. And then when you think the story can't get any worse, look at this. See something I missed there? 13 thou below the deck, 36 thou above the deck. Slightly different compression heights. And also, some of our rods have just kind of like a moderate insert bearing, and other ones have the side thrust on them. Some of them had the caps on right, some of them had the caps on backwards. Some of them the bolts fit, some of them they don't. Man, makes you wonder who in the hell works on these old cars.